Yeah, thank you. And as usual today, let me prepare running notes for today. Go for, and here. Currently, we are running with the function spot number 2. We done these are all. Zero 05. Good. Let me tell you. I hope you know as usual. I would like to maintain running notes, and here the number indicates to 20th session today. What session, sir? 20th session actually. You'll get an idea. And currently we are running with the topic. The topic name is called as a functions part number 2, right? And so we done already the previously functions part number 1 we already done, and currently the running topic is called as a functions part number 2 module. What is the topic, sir? Upcoming topic is a module actually. You will get an idea by looking at this one. You will get a very clear picture where are we, so that it will be helpful for you actually. All right, let's continue. Let's open material. Would you have a material, I guess? In another couple of minutes, we are starting the session. And I will give a small recap even previously what we have covered. You will get an idea. This one. So back to the session. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, good. Now, currently we are running with the topic. The topic name is called as a functions. What is the topic name? It is also called as a functional programming language. What I have done is, I hope I already covered. In a Python, the functional programming language is the only one topic actually. But with my experience, I have divided the topics like a 2 topics for your better understanding. Like, I like divide and conquer. If I divide the subject like a part 1, part 2, it will be very easy to understand. From part number 1, from what is a function to types of function, function can call another function related terminology, and based on parameters, functions are divided into 2 types, and written keyword also. What keywords are? Such a nice topic. We spend almost 30 minutes to understand. How long time, sir? 30 minutes only to understand about the written keyword. Why? Because in real time perspective, that is very, very important actually. After we done this, immediately we have entered into the topic. The topic name is called as a functions part number 2. In a part number 2, the first one is called as a formal and actual arguments we covered. Now, currently we are running with the topic. The topic name is called as a types of arguments. What is the topic name? Yeah. So there are total 5. Basically, let me tell you. Prior to data science, I worked as a full stack Python developer actually. I mean, my base was I was a Java developer. From that big data, especially Hadoop background, then PySpark, MLlib actually. Then I got an opportunity to work in a data scientist actually. Right. That 5th one is not required for you, keyword variable length argument actually. But to work in a data science, especially the four parts are more than enough. There are total 4 types of actual arguments. There are total how many types of actual arguments? 4 types. The first one is called as a positional argument. What is the first one? Positional. And second one is called as a keyword argument. Third one is a default argument. Last one, variable length argument. Good. So let us just have to make a note. Positional argument we already covered yesterday. Now here onwards I need to continue. But anyway, I will give a small recap. Let me just try to give a small recap. Currently we are running with types of actual argument. Types of what exactly, sir? Actual argument. Actual argument. The first one is called as a positional argument. Cheptarandaru, first one is a positional argument. Okay, positional argument actually. And second one is called as a keyword arguments. What is the second one, sir? Keyword args. And the third one is called as a default argument. And the fourth one is called as a variable length argument. Good. You have to get an idea actually. These are all things. Okay. Regarding the positional argument, if you want, I will give a small recap actually. After that, we can continue keyword arguments. Please make a note on this one. Whenever you're talking about the positional argument, first let me prove, I would like to prove always example by using, I would like to prove the topic always by using example. Let me write an example. Go back. We are using Notepad, I hope you know, to write an example. That's the best practice to type the code actually. Jupyter, these are all anyone can do. We are also doing, but later. We are creating a function name is M1. We are creating a function name is what exactly? M1. Then you can call this function. And hello, you can just try to say. Yeah. So seems to be you have created a function, no parameters, no written keyword. We can call the function directly. We can call function what exactly? Directly. Then you can call this one a demo1.py. You can just try to, save all this example, save this one. You can just try to minimize this one. Yeah, you can run this example. Team, I hope you know how to run this one. Can somebody tell me how to run? Py demo1.py. You got this one. This is simple example. Let me tell you what do you mean by positional argument. What do you mean by what exactly? Positional argument. I hope you know based on requirement. A function can contain parameters. A function can contain what exactly? Parameter. Right. Now here, printf, I would like to say the first value. What exactly, sir? The first value. First value is, and you can just try to print A. And at the same time, you can print what exactly? The second one also. And the second value, team, listen carefully. This is bit important. Let me just try to print here B. Now, you already know this point. If there are two rules I already explained actually. Rule number 1. If you have created a function, we should call the function. We should call what exactly? Function. We are calling. While you are calling the function, name of the function should be match. Otherwise, you will get an error. Error name is a name error. What error? We covered this one actually. Rule number 2. If you have created a function, if a function having parameter, if a function having parameter, then we need to pass the values while you are calling the function. You need to pass what exactly? Values while you are calling the function. These are all fundamentals. Please be strong here actually. No, Daniel, I will not pass actually. Sir, will you not pass actually? It's okay. Let us run the example. Now you will get the topic. The topic name is called as a positional argument. What is the topic actually? Positional argument. Now you have to understand. The values, whatever values you are passing, this one is, sir, simple man. Once you have created a, parameterized function, ultimately, these are all ways to pass the values. These are all ways. I mean to say, positional argument is the one way to pass the value. Second one, keyword argument is the second way to pass the value. Default argument is the third way to pass the value. Ultimately, if a function having parameter, if a function having parameter, you should pass the value. To pass the value, you can use anything actually. I mean to say, either you can go for positional argument, keyword argument. These are all things we can use actually. Let me run, sir. You will get an idea. Yeah, you are getting an idea actually. I'm sure we done this one yesterday. Am I right? Now, let us continue. Today's session we are continuing. Go back. Please understand this topic is very, very important. Keyword argument. Let me explain from scratch. To understand this one, there is some small note points we have to be clear. Understand this one very clearly. In a Python programming language, especially in a Python, whenever you are talking about the keyword actually, whenever you are talking about what exactly? Keyword. There are two topics. The word keyword, there are two topics. The first one is a keywords in Python. Total how many keywords in Python? Any idea? 35. We already covered actually. And even I have explained the table also. Second one, keyword argument. What argument, sir? Keyword argument. Let me tell you. Keywords is the separate topic. Keyword argument is a separate topic. Please be clear, no relation. Are you with me or not, sir? There is no relation in between the keywords topic, in between keyword argument actually. But I will tell you why the name they are using keyword here. I will tell you. Step by step, I will tell you. What I mean to say, sir, this one is a separate topic. Separate topic actually. Even the below one also separate topic. Separate topic. Final conclusion. There is no relation. What exactly, sir? There is no relation in between the topics. In between, in between about two topics actually. About topics. All right, let me continue. You will get an idea. Let me enter into the topic. Hold on. Let me drink water, online team. Online team, hope you're following. Can I get a response from anybody? Yeah. Siva, good. Supriya ma'am, nice. And Syed. Then let's continue. So the very first point. Daniel, can you tell me what do you mean by keyword argument actually? Now I would like to explain with an example. You will get an idea. DEF M1 function, and let me take it two parameters. Let me take how many parameters actually? Two parameters. For your kind information, let me tell you. What is the topic name, sir? Chaptara? Keyword argument. For your kind information. In whole data science course actually, on an average, minimum 1,000 times we are using this topic actually. How many times? How many times? Not a joke actually. That much very, very important. That too, this one is my favorite topic actually. So please be clear. Today, if you understand what do you mean by keyword argument actually, in all upcoming sessions, the keyword argument we are going to discuss actually. You are going to understand very clearly, right? And minimum 1,000 times it will be used actually. It will be used. Either it is a predefined or user defined. I will tell you. Yeah. What I can do, print off. I would like to just try to print the first value. We can perform an operation. That operation we can see. First value is, and let me print A. Team, get ready. I have one small question for you. Next one is what exactly, sir? Second value is, and you can just try to print what exactly? B. Now I have a question for you. I wanted to pass the value. Sir, to pass the value, you can use positional argument. This one is a positional argument. Madam, am I right or not? Chappalandaru. Instead of positional argument, if you know the name of the parameter, if you know what exactly name of the parameter, you can use name of the parameter to provide the value. This topic is called as a keyword argument. This topic is called as what exactly? Keyword argument. I mean to say, hold on, back to the session again actually. Let me draw one small visualization picture. You will get an idea. You will get an idea. Come on, look at my screen. Here what we are using, boss. Directly we are passing the value. This is called as a positional argument. This is called as what exactly, sir? Positional argument. You are using positional argument concept to pass the value. You are using positional argument to pass what exactly? Value. The second scenario, to pass the value, what is the second scenario? M1 of, if you know the name of the parameter, if you know name of the parameter, this is also called as a identifier. Can somebody talk with me? This is also called as a identifier. And here A equals to 10. A equals to what exactly? 10. And next one is a B equals to what exactly? 20. B equals to what exactly? 20. Right. This A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Indirectly, you are using keyword argument to pass the value. Here, the word keyword, right? Here, A behaves like a keyword actually. A behaves like what exactly? Keyword. But that is actually not a predefined keyword. Indirectly, we are creating actually. Come on, let me show you. You will get an idea. Let me show you. You will get an idea. Yeah, you are getting an output actually. You are getting what exactly, sir? Output. What is advantage here, if you want, let us just try to maintain small notes actually, you will get an idea. Can somebody tell me DF is a keyword in Python? Chappan sir, keyword in Python. Okay, very good. M1. Evarana cheptara? Name of the function. Next one, A comma B. Chappandi? Parameters. Very good. Next one, M1 of what you're using, A of 10. Next one is a B equals to 20. These A of 10 and B equals to 20, this is called as a keyword argument. What arguments are? Keyword arguments. We are using keyword arguments to pass the value. To pass what exactly? Value. Daniel, what is advantage? You may ask a question. What is advantage actually? Here, the great advantage will be order doesn't matter here actually. But in a positional argument, order matters. What matters actually? Now hold on. First, let me prove practically. Daniel, are you sure? This is called as a keyword argument actually. I am 100% sure. Let me prove practically. How to prove, Sir, can somebody tell me what is the name of the parameter? A. What is the name of the parameter? B. Let me provide here is a C. Let me, first of all, C is not available. C is whatever, C is not available. Understand the error. This topic you can understand from the error actually. Come on, let me run this example actually. Wow, seriously super. What it is telling, sir? Unexpected chapter andru keyword argument. One more time. Keyword argument. One more time. Now you need to understand. Whatever you are passing like this actually, back end it is considering keyword argument. Back end it is considering what exactly? Yeah, A is available. Next one, B is available. But you should not, print C actually. You should not print what exactly, sir? C. I hope you got a clear picture. Guys, are you getting? Let's take this example. You will get an idea. I just wanted to type here, unexpected keyword argument. Here, description is very, very important actually. Description is very, very important. That error actually. Not at over. Please be patient. See, let me just try to pass A equals to 10 and B equals to 20. A equals to 10 and what exactly? B equals to 20. Good. Now hold on. Team, wherever you are calling M1 of A equals to 10, B equals to 20, something like within the parenthesis, no doubt at all, this is called as a keyword argument. Cheptarandaru? I told more than 1000 times this concept is using, right? Just for small, better understanding, let me show you our material actually. You will get an idea. Go back and go to the pandas, machine learning. There are many. You can go for, Daniel. You can go for material and go to the pandas actually. Especially there is a topic. The topic name is called as a series introduction. There are many. Creating a series actually. Yeah. I just wanted to confirm one thing. Team, this one is called as a keyword argument. That one is called as what exactly? Keyword argument. Chapter what is this one? Keyword argument. As of now, think like, wherever parenthesis is available, you are using some name of the parameter to provide the value. That is called as a keyword argument. Like this, many syntaxes would have actually. But anyway, Daniel, what is this? We don't know. These are all topic. These are all upcoming topic. I can cover actually. Now, why I'm covering this one, the topic name is called as a keyword argument. We are using in real time very well actually, especially. Okay, good. Back to the session. I would like to create one more time. You will get an idea. M1 function. Let me just try to use C comma D actually. And here I wanted to print C variable, and at the same time I wanted to print what exactly? D variable. Good. And M1 of team. I have one small question actually. What is the topic I'm using actually? Positional argument. Good. By looking at the code, you can catch actually. You are using positional argument to pass the value. Yes, exactly. You are using what exactly? Positional argument to pass the value. Let us use another topic. M1 of C equals to 11 and D equals to 22. What is the topic I'm using? One more time. You guys understand actually. And at the same time, the beauty with this syntax will be order doesn't matter. If you want D equals to 22, C equals to 11, you can provide like this actually. You can provide like this. This one is a still valid example. Whenever you are passing like this, it will cross verify. Is this parameter is available? Sir, available. It is matching. Then you will get output like what exactly? No, 22. You are passing here C equals to 11. Is it matching actually? Matching. You will get the result as a 11. Shouldn't you will get the result actually? I'm sure. You are getting, I guess, actually. Okay. Go back to the session. Yeah, tell me. Who can use, sir? In our material, I will explain actually. We are discussing the same. So our teammate, what is asking, Array Daniel, can you use the combination like a positional argument and next one is what exactly? Keyword argument. Sir, you can use. I can cover step by step. Let me tell you. Keyword arguments are arguments that recognize the parameter by name of the parameter. By what exactly, sir? Name of the parameter. Team, did you remember? A long back we have covered a topic. The topic name is called as a naming convention. What is the topic name? One more time. During naming convention, I told one first definition. The definition name is called as a identifier. What is that one? Identifier. Did you remember what is an identifier? Name in a program. What exactly? This one is called as a name actually. This one is called as a name. Keyword arguments are arguments that recognize parameters by name of the parameter. We can use as identifier to provide values to what exactly, sir? Function parameter. This is the valid scenario. This is what exactly, sir? Valid scenario. Valid scenario. Kindly please look at my screen. So simple, I have created a function, a small function. Understand the fundamental. How it is working in project, especially I will cover you. We are creating a function with two parameter, a kind of some, here we are using keyword augment actually. Product equals to so and so product and price equals to 2 lakhs we are using actually, and automatically this name and this name should be matched, sir. Here let me tell you, this product is called as a keyword. Product is called as what exactly? Keyword that we are creating actually, right? Move to the next one. And these are all you can understand actually. Online team, can we keyword augment says equals to, hold on, I have a question from online team. Daniel, can keyword augment values says equals to 10 and d equals to 20 can be used outside of the function in same program actually? Jalal, we can use, sir. We can use actually. We can use, that is still possible. That we can cover during module topic actually. In a single module, you can create a function. You can access in other module also by importing the module. Okay. You can easy to understand. These are all example. Now move on to the next one. DF card product comma price actually, and here we are here we are providing team. Here order doesn't matter. What not matter actually? Order doesn't matter. Here what is order? Product comma price. But here with what order we are passing actually? Price equals to 1200 and product equals to what exactly? Shirt. This is possible actually. This is what exactly, sir? Possible. Good. If you want, let me run this example very quickly. Team, I have a small question. Can you tell me why red color? You should know. You should recognize by this time actually. Okay. We have represented the programs in a box. It is very easy to recognize actually. Let us provide even indentation. Yeah. And I request you, especially I'm requesting, try to use notepad only initially. Why? Because the beauty with the notepad, generally, I'm sorry, I'm not pointing anyone. No one never explain over notepad actually. If you want, you can cross verify. But if you're able to practice by using notepad actually, you know what? You will become very good in typing, and especially you can automatically remember the syntax actually. You can automatically remember the syntax. Are you getting or not, sir? You will get an idea. These are all things. Okay. Yeah. Whenever you are using keyword, don't change the keyword name. I mean, don't change the parameter name. If you are changing, you will get an error. That error name is especially what error? Type error. What error? Type error. Description is important actually, especially from here. Unexpected keyword augment. One more time. Unexpected keyword augment. Unexpected keyword augment. Okay. Yeah. You can just try to pass to the next one. You will get an idea. Next one is the default augment. What is the next one, sir? Default augment. Default augment. Now it's the right time. I just wanted to give a small recap actually. Imagine there is a function. There is what exactly, sir? Function. So function having parameter. Function having what exactly? Parameter. If a function having parameter, we need to pass the value. We need to pass what exactly? We need to pass values. Pass values. To pass the values, these are all ways. There are 4 ways. There are how many ways actually? 4 ways. The first one is called as a positional argument, and the second one is called as a keyword argument. We already just now we done actually. Can somebody tell me what is the third one? Default argument. What argument, sir? Default argument. And the last one is called as a variable length argument. What is the last one? Variable length argument. And of course, the fifth one also would have, but not much important for you guys actually. What is the fifth one? Keyword variable length argument. KWRGS actually. We'll cover. We'll cover. We already done this one. Now even we already done. Now let me explain about the default argument. Yeah. So go back to the session. Default argument. So please understand this one. Tim, what do you mean by default argument? while you are creating a function, here you are providing the parameter. You can also call as a argument. You can also call as a formal argument. There are many names actually, but still you can call as a parameter. Still you can call as what exactly? Parameter. While you are creating a function, if you know the parameter, if you want, let me just try to print the value. The value is, what is this one, sir? Value is, and you can just try to print this A actually. Good. Team, I have a small question for you. Can somebody tell me what is this concept actually? Positional argument. Chappalandaru. Then next one. What is this concept actually? A equals to 11, 22. What is the concept? Keyword argument. See, these are all ways to pass the value. What is the third way, While you are creating a parameter, if you know the name of the value, you can still pass here. Simple, man. Can I tell one logic actually? Ultimately, if there is a parameter, for that parameter, value is required. What is required actually? This is up to you. Either you can use positional argument, either you can use keyword argument, either you can use default argument actually. This is up to you, whatever you want actually. Are you with me or not? Good. One important entry question here actually. What is the question, Whenever you are creating a function, while creating the function, if you know the value for the parameter, you can directly assign, nothing is wrong. But the beauty about this syntax will be, sir, here I hope you already know. Here, if you have created a function, you need to call the function. If you have created a function, you need to call what exactly? Function. One small point. If the parameter already having the value, if the parameter already having what exactly? Value. Remember one thing, no need to pass any value. Daniel, I will pass what happened. Hold on, I will cover in the next 2 minutes actually. I am repeating one more time. Come on, listen carefully. If you guys are not listening, sir, please look at my screen actually. Here we have created a parameter. Now let me just try to tell you the value is. What exactly, sir? Value is. And you can just try to print A here actually. If you know the value, you can pass the value directly. You can pass what exactly? Value directly. And here you can call the function directly. This one is a valid example. This one is what exactly? Valid example. If you want, let me just try to print this one. Yes. Value is what exactly, sir? 11. You are getting actual. Now, hold on. My explanation is not yet over. Second point will be, can I maintain here the, default argument. What exactly, sir? Default argument. Hello, Daniel. If a parameter having the value, you no need to pass the value. But let me pass the value. Important actually. If you are passing the value, here what happen, this one is called as a old value. Chappan, sir. That one is called as a old value. This one is called as a new value. Old value will be replaced with new value. Then what is the value actually? Can somebody tell me? No, that's it. It's a very simple. You can easy to understand. Hope you are getting actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let me execute this example. You will get an idea. Default argument. What argument actually? Default argument. I would like to say old value will be replaced. Many words you can use. Few guys, they will use overridden the value. What exactly? Override the value. Anything you can use. Old values will be replaced with what exactly, sir? New value. You will understand these are all. Yeah. So go back to the session. You will get an idea. Daniel, during function definition, we can provide the default values to the function parameter. While creating a function, we can provide what exactly? Values to the function parameter. Both statements are same. You will get an idea. This one is interesting, sir. Come and look at my screen. Here what we are using, I have created a function. I have created what exactly? Function. There are two parameters. How many parameters? Two parameters. The second one is called as a default argument. What is the second one? Default argument. Chappalandaru. And the first one is called as a normal argument. You can still also call as a non-default argument. What exactly? Non-default argument. One more time. It's okay, cool. Sir, I have one small question. For these two parameter, already the first one, second one already having the value. Second one already having what exactly? Value. And this parameter having no value. Then while you are calling the function, please provide the value. Please provide what exactly? Value. Otherwise, you will get an error. Otherwise, you will get a positional argument error. What error? Positional argument error. Come on, let me create this one. DEF chord function we are creating, and the first one will be product actually, and second one will be price. And Daniel, I know the price value. Sir, if you know the value, you can pass the value here actually. So 444, and you can just try to print the product prices, the product is, and you can just try to print the product, and the next one will be the prices. And here you can print what exactly is price. Now listen carefully. First one is a non-default argument. Second one is default argument. Now what you can do, here actually, you can call a function, and for this parameter already we are having value. For this parameter, no value. For this parameter, what exactly? No value. You need to pass the value. You need to pass what exactly? Value. We are using keyword argument. Just try to use that one and we can pass actually. This combination is valid. Come again. Sir, generally, it would be good. Then try to use keyword argument actually. Both keyword arguments. That would be good fine actually. Did you understand? This one is still valid, but it would be good. You have to use always, kind of some keyword argument. The first one is what exactly, sir? Product. And the second one is a price. Did I copy this example here? No, I didn't copy it. Take this example and you can just have to run this one. Yeah. Tim, what happened, go back and let me explain the flow. And the product, this value is passing the pen, and automatically already would have this value. This value is already, printing actually. And now the next example, you can just have to come here, provide comma, price equals to 555. Price equals to what exactly? Can you guess the output actually now? Instead of 444, what is output you are going to get? 555. Good. Take this example. This topic is something like, what are all topics here it is involving, let us make a note actually, you'll get an idea. These are all topics are involving. These are all what exactly topics are involving. As I told you initially, whenever you are learning any kind of some new technical discussion, please be clear with the terminology. Please be clear with what exactly terminology. In the given topic, what are all topics we are using, sir? First we are using function. What we are using? Function. That too, chaptara, parameterized function. What function? Parameterized function. Next one will be another topic. Default argument we are using. What we are using? Default argument come. Yeah. Of course, this one is a function. And this one is called as a parameterized function. The next one, what is the topic we are using? Default argument we are using. The next one will be function calling. Chappan sir, function calling. And what is the next one? Can you guess actually? Chappan sir, keyword argument. What argument actually? Keyword argument. These are all topics are using in the given example. So seems to be, I know, a small piece of code actually. But while you are looking at this piece of example, simple sir, let me tell you. Whenever you are talking about any kind of some program, this is something like a group of components. Chaptarandaru? Group of components. It can be variable, function, class, instance method. These are all discussion actually. Good. Hope you understand. Default argument actually. Let us continue with the discussion. Go back. Yeah, here what we are doing, boss, and especially this one is a kind of some parameter, and here we are providing both values at a time actually. This is still valid. This is still valid. Let me ask one question. The question will be, hold on sir, 1 minute. Can I change this value actually? No, you should not change. If you are changing, you will get an error. That error will be, what error sir? Type error. What error? Type error. One more time. Unexpected keyword argument. What argument? Keyword argument. Go back. So seems to be, did we list out that type error actually? Type error మనం note చేసామా? No. Name error, value error. Next one is a type error. Here it would be good to add actually. Type error. Hold on. Let us, I hope you know the day 1 onwards we are listing out the errors. This one should be 5 and this one should be 6. This is really good practice to make a note actually. This one should be 7. Seems to be it's a long time. Can we read the errors once actually? You will get an idea. 1 minute. Knowing errors is a very, very important. Knowing errors is what exactly, sir? Very, very important. During I'm taking interview in my company, especially, not every time, occasionally, my first question will be, can you please list out the top 10 errors? Those who know error names actually, frankly speaking, they are very good in coding. They are very good in what exactly, sir? Coding. Best example, you should know the error. Which is scenario, what error? Which is scenario, what error you should know actually. Throughout our session, you will get an idea. Come on, talk with me. What is the first one? Syntax error, name error, value error, type error, index error. Good, you should list out. On an average, we are going to see 14 errors actually. How many errors? 14 errors. We have a separate discussion, exception handling. During that time, I can cover actually. You will get an idea. Go back. Yeah. You are able to understand these are all. Even default arguments and what we are doing, product and price. This one is order. Sorry, sir. Boss, you're asking a question. I'm sorry. Yeah. Come again one more time. You mean to say what exactly? 444. Next one is what exactly? 555. Okay. I'm sorry, sir. You know what? Once you are passing here, actually, no doubt at all, this value will be replaced with this value actually. No doubt in that actually. So that's what even in output we are getting. Here you need to be understand. I'm sorry, something went wrong. Price. Unexpected. Yeah, I didn't say previously. Now let me run this example. Old value is already replaced actually. Old value is what exactly? Already replaced. No way, sir, actually. If you want, I will tell you. Here, what exactly happened, Daniel? Can you please explain about the internal discussion actually? Yeah, we know very well. Let me tell you. Whenever you are providing this one, in Python programming language, there is a one topic. The topic name is called as a PVM. What is the topic name? PVM. Python Virtual Machine. Python Virtual Machine maintains one stack memory. What memory? Stack memory. There the value is available. The moment when you are entering this value, old value will be replaced with this value. It can lie still some elapsed time actually. Later there is a topic. The topic name is called as a GC. Garbage collector. It will come and it will collect that value actually. There is a different story. Okay. Nice. Good question. Move on. Now, if you are not passing any value, then only the default value will be what exactly, sir? Consider. Exactly. We have done these are all. Now the next one will be star args, also called as a variable length argument. Team, this one is important. Among these all these four parameters, the first one is a positional argument. What is the first one? Positional argument. Second one, keyword argument. Third one, default argument. Last one, variable length argument. What is the last one? The second one and fourth one, interview questions. That too, second topic we are using in real time on daily basis actually, on daily basis. Let us have a small discussion. Daniel, what do you mean by this actually? Go back. And can I take these are all? Good. This one is important. Even this one. It doesn't mean, అంటే నా అర్థం ఏంటంటే ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు అని కాదు. You have to prepare. Once you have to prepare actually. Getting or not? Good. So let me explain about variable length argument. You will get an idea. You will get an idea. Go back. I will explain this topic, why this topic we need to call as a variable length argument. Please understand this one. One small scenario. This topic also called as a star arguments. What exactly, sir? Star arguments. Also called as a star ARGS. And especially, this arguments is the name of the variable. Don't provide the space. Don't provide what exactly? Space. You have to make it combine actually. You have to make it what exactly? Combine. I can talk slowly by slowly. I will explain. This name is also called as a variable length argument. Chaptarandaru, what exactly? Variable length argument. Daniel, can you tell me why this topic is called as a variable length argument actually? Yeah, let me explain one by one. One by one I can explain actually. Please understand. Go back to our older discussion. Imagine there is a function. There is what exactly function? My function will be something like, m1, and there is a one parameter. Then let me just try to print this value. You know what value is, and here you can just try to print what exactly a. Team, I have one small question. How many parameters, Chapan? One parameter. We already covered this topic. There is a topic, the topic name is called as a parameterized function. What function? Parameter. If a function having one parameter, then you have to pass one value. If a function having two parameter, you have to pass two value. Three parameter, three values. Parameters and number of values should be matched. Till now we learned that point actually. Now let me tell you. Let us pass the value as a 10. Let us pass value as what exactly 10. This one is a valid example. This one is what exactly valid example. Am I right? Now I have a small question. Can I pass one more value? No, we should not pass. If you are passing, you will get an error. Let me show you in real time how it is working. Hold on. Let me show you. I will take one small scenario. You will get an idea. Let me create a function. Function name is a shopping. Let me create a function. Function name is what exactly? Shopping. Imagine there are two parameters. P1 comma P2. P1 is a price 1. P2 is a price 2. I would like to display here. So the first product price. First product, what exactly, sir? Price. And I wanted to print the price. What I can do? P1. And even second product price. What price, sir? Second. Second product, what exactly? Price. And even what you need to print actually, comma P2. Team, I have a small question for you. What is the name of the function, Chapan? Shopping. Come on, tell me everyone. Shopping. How many parameters? Two parameters. Right. Now let me tell you, shopping. Then imagine you done shopping. Indirectly, the shopping application is telling, boss, you have to take only two products. You have to take what exactly? Only two products actually. Yeah, good. Imagine, a kind of some 888. It is the first value. Next one will be 111. This one worked very well actually. This one, what exactly, sir? Works very well. Come on. You can see here actually, you will get an output. You will get an output. I'm sorry, let me tell you. I'm sorry. Don't be personal. Let me take my wife actually. If she went for shopping actually, keep on the values will be added actually. Keep on what exactly, sir? The values will be added. Think like that. Now, conclusion of this story. This function, it will work for only two products. But let me tell you, whenever you are going for shopping actually, are they restricting us? Boss, you have to take only two products actually. No, they never restrict us. Then exactly this problem I wanted to solve, Daniel, actually. This kind of problem, it's my interest. While you are calling the function, I can provide two value, I can provide one value, I can provide 10 value. Otherwise, I cannot even provide any value. I can do window shopping actually. I can do what exactly, man? Then this function is supposed to work. Did you understand the problem statement? This kind of problem we can solve by using variable length argument. By using what argument actually? Variable length argument. Are you with me? Good. Let me explain one more time. You will get an idea. First of all, take these are all. We are getting this value. Yeah, go take this value. This one is exactly boys shopping actually. I'm sorry. This one is boys. Otherwise, you can take, Daniel shopping. If I say girls actually, they can, they can point out later. The next one will be Kusma shopping actually. Kusma is my wife name. That is not interview question actually. Just please make a note. You can just try to make a note here. You can just try to provide 777, 999. Never ending story, sir. Never ending story actually. Then you will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. But Daniel, it is my interest. While during the billing, I can take two products, three products, and four products actually. Your function is supposed to be work. How to fix this problem, sir? You can just try to take this one. Yeah. This problem we can fix by using variable length argument. By using what exactly, sir? Variable length argument. Chappalandaru. Variable length argument. It's a very simple, don't consider the spelling mistake, please. Variable length argument. Let me show you how to use that one. Let me show you how to use that one. Any questions, please be hold on. I will cover you. It's a very simple. What we need to do is create a function. Create what exactly? Function. And create a only one variable. Only what exactly? One variable. Let me tell you that variable is a P. P means all prices. And before that variable, according to that syntax, you have to provide one symbol. That symbol is a star symbol. What symbol actually? Star symbol. What symbol, sir? Let me tell you. Regarding the star symbol, previously we already have seen in a operators topic. What topic, sir? In a operators. It works like a multiplication. It works like what exactly? Team. Now this concept name is called as a variable length argument. This concept name is called as what exactly? The beauty with this topic will be, can I tell you the beauty actually? Now we'll do one thing. I would like to say all prices. What exactly, sir? All product prices actually. If you want, you can print just P, but not star P actually. If you want here, you can print what exactly? Just P. Now come on. Let me just try to call shopping. Let me just try to call what exactly? Shopping. Now the beauty about this variable length argument is, team, here you can pass two value, 10 comma, I mean to say, 777 comma, what exactly? 888. This example will work actually. This example will work. There is a, can I press enter button? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm pressing enter button, but let me tell you one important point. Can I ask a question? How many values actually? Two values. Think like I can pass 10 values also. I can pass 20 values also. Here the beauty is, whenever you are running this example, Python interpreter, it will come here. So seems to be function call. Here using star argument actually. Here you are using what exactly? Star argument. Then Python interpreter will consider this P value like something like, tuple data structure. What data structure? Where are all you are printing P, now it behaves like a tuple data structure. What data structure, sir? Tuple data. Come on, you can see the output actually. Wow, you are able to understand. Prices actually. 777, next one is what exactly? 888. Daniel, can I pass few more values? Sir, you can pass. 999 you can pass. 22 you can pass. 234 you can pass. Any values you can pass. That's the beauty about this topic actually. I'm sure you are able to understand actually. I would like to ask you one question. Can you tell me what is this topic name? Variable length argument. What exactly? Also called as a star args. Also called as what exactly? Star arguments. Even there is a reason. Daniel, why only tuple? Why not list? I can cover during tuple data structure. There is a reason for everything. There is a reason for everything actually. Okay. You can pass, sir. No, there is. Come again. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. I will tell you. After you are getting all these value, Daniel, I want to perform some operation. After this one, generally, we need to print the bill actually. Hey, Daniel, your total bill is, imagine your total, what exactly bill? Sorry, sir, your total bill actually. To print the total bill, we need to sum actually. We need to what exactly, sir? Sum up. Then in Python, there is one predefined function. Function name is called as a sum. In Python, till now we already have seen there are certain predefined function. Print, length, type, these are all things we have seen actually. Sum of P you can provide, then it can sum up all values and it can provide the bill also. It can provide what exactly? Bill also. See, that's the beauty actually. And you can just try to extend the value. This one is still fine. Tim, can I ask you one question? Are you ready? In the given code, how many functions we are using? Chappalandaru. I will cry if you didn't reply. Come again. 2 function. Good. Any other answer? 3 functions. Okay, good. First one is a user defined function. First one is a user defined function. Count number 1. Next one is a predefined function. Next one is a, then total 3. Total what exactly? 3. 1 user defined, 2 predefined. Like this, we need to recognize. Whenever you are looking at any example, you have to divide actually. How many functions would you have? How many parameters would you have? You have to divide like this actually. Okay. Sorry, you are asking one question. Tell me. Yeah, correct. Sir, good question. Once after right hand side, you should not take any other parameter. You will get an error. You will get an error actually. But in real time, let me tell you, whenever you are taking star P, no other parameters are not recommended actually. If you want, hold on. If you want here, you can take A comma B. Then first, good question. First value belongs to first parameter. Remaining all values belongs to star P actually. You got it right. Valid actually. Let me take this one. Team, today it's a short session. I do have a faculty meeting actually around 6:35. Generally, I supposed to take the session till 6:40, 6:45 and 50, but till 6:35 I'm going to take the session actually. All right, hope you understand. I have one small question for you. And can somebody tell me this P, what is the data type actually? Tuple data structure. What data structure? That you can sense here actually. Why? Because the parenthesis it is coming. Wherever parenthesis is available, that is a tuple data structure. Tuple data structure. Okay. Go back to the session. Daniel, can I pass 3 values? Sir, you can pass. Can I pass 4 values? You can pass. Take these are all example. I can pass here. Variable length argument. Good. This running notes, it will be helpful for you. Can we use keyword argument in the example actually? No, sir. No, we should not use actual. Star arguments also, along with this, I'm sorry, let me repeat again. Along this keyword argument, along this variable length argument, if you are having any other parameter, you can use actual. You can use single value. That's what I'm telling. There are some questions actually. Come on, let me repeat again. The same question I'm repeating. Please make a note on this one actually. The point will be, there is a imagine one function. If you have created one parameter, then you know what exactly? You have to pass only one value. You have to pass only what exactly, sir? One value. Come on, kindly please make a note on this one. You will get an idea. But at least if you are passing two value, 20, 30, 40. Otherwise, imagine something like, a kind of some Daniel also. Then you will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. See here, you are getting an error actually. You are getting an error. But Daniel, my requirement is, no matter what, here what you will fix, how you will fix actually. Here I can pass 2 value, 3 value, 4 value, 5 value. Your function is supposed to be work. To work with this function, we need to make it like a star. What exactly, sir? Star. Then this behaves like a tuple data structure. What data structure? Tuple data structure. Come on, children, tuple. Tuple actually. Do you want to access one by one value? Team, you should know by this time. For chapter I in A, then you can print I actually. You should know. Somebody is asking how to access all these value actually. You can print actually. There is a lot we can do. Am I right? Good. Hold on. Let me ask you let me trigger one small question. How many keywords we are using in this example? Chappan sir. Chappali, correct. Chappani, what are all those? Df, for, in. Do you think print is a keyword? No. Function actually. Predefined function. Kindly please recognize what are all important keywords. Let me explain the theory point by point. Star args also called as a variable length argument. I'm sorry. Sometimes our requirement can be like we need to provide more values to the function parameter to process the result. Hence we can use star args concept actually. It is representing single star symbol before the argument. What symbol, sir? Single star, a kind of some one star actually. Internally, the provided value will be stored in where exactly, man? Tuple. It is using tuple. Few points. If you have created one parameterized function, during function call, we need to pass one value. If you have created a two parameterized function, then during function call, we need to pass two value. If you pass more or less value, then we'll get an error. We'll get what exactly, sir? See, let me tell you one point. This is based on requirement only, you can proceed. Based on what exactly? Requirement. Daniel, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that actually? What do you mean by that, Let me talk about the Gmail actually. Let me talk about what exactly, sir? Gmail. Especially I'm talking about the login. I'm talking about what exactly? Login. Can I tell you how many parameters required? Chappan? 2. That's it. Then go for directly U&P actually. You need to understand like that. Based on requirement, go for shopping. At runtime, I don't know how many values I can pass actually. Then there especially variable length argument, it helps actually. But whenever you are implementing kind of some Gmail login actually, only 2 parameters fixed. You can go for this topic actually. Okay. We can cover. When I'm explaining about the project, I will tell you which topic at what time we are going to use. I will tell you actually. Okay. Yeah. here star x, any name of the variable you can use, but in real time especially we are using a or gs. Now we can pass any number of values to this star x actually. Internally the provided values will be represented with what exactly, sir? Tuple data structure. What data structure? Tuple data. Look at my screen. M function, one parameter, you are providing one value. M function, one parameter. Sir, will it accept actually? No, you will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. That's what here it is triggering error actually. Move on to the next one. Star x, team it can accept actually. Any number of values it will accept. Okay. Move on to the next one. Two values it will accept. Can I ask a question? What is the data type for x actually? Tuple. Nice. You will get an idea. This one is what exactly? Three values actually. All right, a short session today. This I can cover in a next session. We'll meet it at next session. I'm sorry. We done for today's session. Let me upload the material and you will get an idea. Running notes in a Google Classroom. I hope we are all sharing. We are sharing this material daily. If anyone having any questions, do let me know. There is one question from online team. How to access only a single value from the tuple, not allowed values actually? Jayesh. Sir, whenever you're talking about the tuple, single value is allowed, but single value should have a comma separator. Jalal. Single value is a comma separator. Daniel, can you tell me again why keyword argument is called as a keyword argument actually? Sir, maybe I already covered, but let us just try to rewind tomorrow. I can help you recap actually. Let us continue. Where are we? Let me upload the material. You can just try to observe here. I'm uploading the running notes. All right. I hope you are getting material, I guess, actually. Everyone. Madam, are you getting material? Material running notes, you should get actually. And you can download also. This PDF material, it is for you guys only. You can download and you can share to friends. You can share to anyone. Good material, it will be helpful to everyone actually. Thank you. We done for today's session. We done for today's session. Thank you.